praying in church. Whispers echo through the hurt. Candlelight flicker, shadows dance. She's just looking for a second chance. Oh dear God, let me get blessed with love. Since I lost my parents, I'm not strong enough. I walk this world with empty hands, trying to find where I can stand. Please rain when I cry, so no one sees the tears that fall so silently. If you're listening, won't you cover me? My only hope is the love you have for me. Please rain, please rain when I cry. I see families laugh and hold on tight while I chase dreams in the dead of night. I keep the faith though it's hard to breathe. Still I believe you're watching me. Oh dear God, I'm still holding on even when the nights feel so long. Wrap me in a grace I've never known. Let me feel I'm not alone. Refrain when I cry so no one sees the tears that fall so silently. If you're leaning, won't you cover me? My only hope is the love you have for me. Please aid when I cry. Let the thunder hide my pain. Let the skies wash it away. If love's a light that never fades, then guide me through another day. Please rain when I cry so I can heal. Hide these scars I try to conceal.